Okay guys, it is 5:45 on July 10th, the Saturday evening, and this is what it looks like around. It's pretty dark all along to the south and east, and we are under a severe thunderstorm watch until about 2 a.m. Sunday morning, so for the next 6 to 8 hours. Don't know if anything will come of this, but I just wanted to show you the before, and if there's an after, I'll let you know. Okay, it's an hour later, 6:45. You can probably hear the wind blowing. There's some outflow, I guess. I can see, look over there, you can see dust blowing. Right there. It's a lot of blowing dust. And this dark shadow is crossing the valley. It was at the base of the mountains, now it's about halfway across the valley. It's hard to tell the sky from the mountains right there. Okay, here's a different perspective on the blowing dust. This is a wide angle shot. So the Santa Cruz Valley is where that dust is coming from, and you can see that it is definitely blowing this direction. That will be here soon. Wow, this is the first time I've ever seen this in living here 7 years. I've never seen it blow up dust like this before. I would call this a mini Haboob. Wow guys, this is really crazy. Now look across the road there, and those are houses. Look how high this dust storm is. It's gonna cross I-19 right down below us, and that could really cause some traffic hazards when that dust gets over the freeway here. I'm gonna have to go inside pretty soon and film it from inside because it's gonna be too dusty out here to. See it moving or not, but it's moving. It's going to obscure those houses here pretty soon. And it goes north. You can see it way down there in between the cactus and the other trees there. But it is way up in the air. And I can see it starting to obscure some of those houses over there. Okay guys, that is zoomed all the way out, and here is our Haboob cloud. Okay, check out my palms, they're really blowing hard. Here it comes, we gotta go in. Okay guys, the dust cloud is here, as you can see. Can't go outside right now, it's blowing right at us. You can see the trees whipping around out here. Okay guys, I'm in the bedroom now. This is basically looking south, and that's the direction everything's coming from over there. You can see there's a mixture of dust and cloud and stuff in the sky there, but look how brown it is. This is definitely, it's a Haboob, that's for sure. I mean, I know there are really huge ones. I don't know that this one's that big, but this is a pretty big event for Green Valley, that's for sure. Okay guys, it is really blowing out here. It's starting to rain. There's a rainbow out there amidst all the dust from the. And show you what it looks like. This is coming basically from the east. I'm going to show you what it looks like looking west. The wind blew over our pot and broke it, so that's something we're going to have to deal with. Anyway, it's starting to be more and more frequent raindrops. Stand by. Okay guys, here's the other end of that rainbow. And it's blowing up underneath the porch, so I'm gonna have to go back inside. It's starting to rain. It's coming in sideways. Here's a little bit more of the sideways rain and sheeting that's happening right now.